If you are researching luxury Caribbean destinations for 2026, Hermitage Bay in Antigua deserves a place at the very top of your list. Hermitage Bay is refined, intimate, and quietly confident, an all-inclusive resort that feels personal, soulful, and genuinely special. Location arrival. Hermitage Bay sits on Antigua's southwest coast, tucked into a secluded cove reached by a famously bumpy dirt road. That final stretch is intentional. It filters out crowds and delivers you to a pocket of near-total calm. Antigua is known for its 365 beaches, but Hermitage Bay feels like you've been given one entirely to yourself. The resort is about 35 minutes from VC, Bird International Airport, far enough to feel remote, yet close enough for a seamless transfer. Scale, design, opulence. With just 30 villa suites, Hermitage Bay operates on a less is more philosophy. Villas are scattered across a lush hillside and beachfront, designed to blend into the landscape rather than dominate it. Following a multi-million-dollar renovation completed in late 2024, the aesthetic is airy, organic, and contemporary, native woods, soft linens, muted tones, and no visual clutter. Televisions are discreetly hidden, and the real focal point is always the view. Beachfront villas offer direct sand and sea access, while hillside villas provide dramatic panoramic vistas and extra privacy, each with a private plunge pool. Golf carts run on demand, making the hillside location effortless despite the elevation. Food dining excellence. This is where Hermitage Bay truly separates itself. Calling the dining all-inclusive almost undersells it. The culinary team blends Caribbean flavors with global technique, led by chefs with pedigrees from Nobu and La Petite Maison, alongside Antiguan executive chef Desroy Spence. Breakfast is exceptional. Think banana pancakes with coconut syrup, chop-up saltfish, and excellent coffee that actually matters. Lunch at the beach club is relaxed, yet elevated grilled mahi-mahi sandwiches, poke bowls, and garden-driven plates enjoyed under a breezy palapa. At sunset, the Tree Bar's omakase sushi hour, guided by a Nobu-trained chef, is one of the most memorable rituals on property. Dinner rotates between elegant four-course menus and themed nights like surf-turf barbecues featuring filet mignon and lobster. Nothing feels mass-produced, and everything tastes intentional. Drinks atmosphere. Cocktails lean tropical but balanced, passion fruit mojitos, expertly mixed rum punches, and fresh juices that taste like the island itself. Wine and champagne are generously poured, and the overall vibe is relaxed sophistication rather than party energy. Live local musicians often provide the evening soundtrack, enhancing the sense of place. Activities recreation. Hermitage Bay is perfect for travelers who want options without pressure. Mornings might start with hillside yoga overlooking the Caribbean, followed by paddleboarding, kayaking, or snorkeling in calm, protected waters. The resort's fleet, 2 speedboats, and a 103-foot sailboat, opens the door to island hopping, sunset cruises, and deeper exploration. Off-property highlights include Nelson's Dockyard, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Claremont Farms with its famed black pineapples, and helicopter excursions to Barbuda for otherworldly pink sand beaches. Spa wellness. The garden spa is small but exceptional, perched above the bay where ocean views do half the work. Treatments are intuitive, unhurried, and deeply restorative, with standout therapists and private verandas for post-treatment relaxation. Why it's special for 2026. Hermitage Bay offers luxury without excess, service without stiffness, and authenticity without compromise. It's ideal for couples, honeymooners, and discerning travelers who value space, flavor, and atmosphere over spectacle. If 2026 is the year you want Caribbean luxury done right, this is it.